Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to convert a flash disk from FAT32 to NTFS without deleting your data. First, plug in your USB flash disk and open the File Explorer. Look at the left navigation sidebar panel layout, click on This PC and identify the exact drive letter assigned to your flash disk, such as drive letter F or G. Next, move your cursor down to the Windows taskbar search bar, type in the letters CMD, right-click on Command Prompt from the search results, and select Run as Administrator. For example, if your flash disk is drive letter F, inside the black Command Prompt terminal window, type this command: convert followed by your specific drive letter, a colon, a forward slash, FS, a colon, NTFS. If the prompt asks you to enter the current volume label for the target drive, type in the exact name of your flash disk as it appears in File Explorer and press Enter. The File System Conversion Engine framework will instantly lock the volume, check for bad sectors, and begin translating your storage table format directly on the media. The operating system will cleanly upgrade your file system architecture to NTFS, giving you security permissions and large file support while keeping every single one of your existing files completely intact. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.